Exercise 32. If 3qx minus 12 is equal to 48 minus qx, what is the value of 12 over qx minus 3? We have to do this one by hand. No calculator, not even the Desmos, will be able to recognize two different unknowns, x and q. Okay, I'm going to do it by hand. And obviously, since I only have one equation and two unknowns, I will never be able to find the exact values of x and q. But perhaps that's irrelevant, because I might be just able to calculate qx directly, or even the qx minus 3 directly. We'll see. Let's begin with 3qx minus 12 is 48 minus qx. I'm going to bring the qx's on the left and everything else, the constants, on the right side. 3qx plus qx is obviously 4qx. 48 plus 12 is 60. If I divide both sides by 4, I would get 60 over 4. So qx is 15, which means that I can now go back to this 12 over qx minus 3, and instead of qx, I can replace it by 15. So it's going to be 15 minus 3, 12 over 12, which is equal to 1. The right answer for this question would be 1.